Hello everyone and welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. So today's video is going to be 10 things women should do every day. I thought this would be a fun topic to film. So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned. Also, let's get the conversation going. I want to hear what you guys think women should do every day. Add to that list by commenting down below and giving me a thumbs up if you like this video, and let's get to it. Let's begin, and this is in no particular order, but number one is take a shower every day. I feel like as women, we need to care for our bodies, parts of bodies, if you know what I mean, and I think that involves taking a shower every day, at least just even a body shower. Showering does a lot of great things for us, keeps us clean, nice and fresh, wakes us up, keeps us smelling like flowers, so that is first on the list. All right, second thing that women should do every single day is remove your makeup before bed. And I don't care how tired you are, I don't care how tired I am. Even if I have a late night, I take the time, even if I'm falling asleep, while I'm taking off my makeup, I make sure to take my makeup off. That way I don't wake up with crazy complaints about my skin. Skin needs to breathe. You need to take that gunk off your face. If you guys want clean, healthy skin, take your makeup off. This is so important. You clog your pores. Also, you don't want to mess up your pillowcases. I feel like that is like the worst thing. And if you don't take your makeup off at night before you go to bed, and you mess up your pillowcase, you better be washing that pillowcase and not be coming home the next day and sleeping on that dirty pillowcase. All right, number three is daily affirmations. This is something that I've recently found really helpful for me, especially if I have a crazy day, especially if it is a super stressful day. Just telling yourself the things that you need to tell yourself to calm down. So for example, if things aren't going the way you want them to go, just taking a couple seconds to just be like, this is okay, I'm gonna be okay, I will survive, I will get through this. Find a quiet space. If people are bugging you, just to tell you it's gonna be okay. I feel like saying things out loud always is so helpful. I don't know what it is, but daily affirmations are great, I feel like, for anybody. All right, number four is doing something that you love. Making time to do one thing that makes you happy every day. That could be reading a book. That could be going to the gym. That could be taking a walk on the beach. That could mean whatever you think will make you happy for that day, or just whatever makes you happy in general. Number five is to say something nice about someone else. So I feel like we as women, we are our biggest critics. I feel like a lot of times we are our biggest critics of each other. And so to break that, I feel like just thinking or even saying something nice about someone that you see maybe just walking by and being like, oh, that's cute, instead of just being like, she's cute, I hate her. I feel like doing that just builds up our self-confidence, makes you feel secure in yourself, and just being happy for someone else just makes you a happier person. All right, next, I don't know what number we're on, but it is making an effort. Now, you guys have probably heard the quote, make an effort and just show up. That I feel like will get you through life. But on a serious note, making an effort just in everything. I feel like if you make an effort, you are one step closer to reaching your goal. Don't make excuses, make an effort. You're playing your part as a member of society. All right, next is to make your bed. I don't know when I started making my bed and when I started actually just making sure that that is a habit of mine, but for some reason, making your bed every day just helps everything else come into play. It's like coffee in a way. I can't ever leave my house in the morning if my bed's not made. It's like I can't not have my first cup of coffee every day. Pretty much, again, like sets the tone for your day. Again, it's that mindset that you give yourself to make an effort to make things organized. All right, next is to love yourself. Make sure you're not too hard on yourself. That is something that I personally need to take into action and into practice more. Make sure you love yourself. Give yourself a pat on the back. Don't give yourself such a hard time. Take it day by day. Just learn how to love yourself, whatever that means. All right, next is to drink water. Now, a lot of you guys in one of my other videos mentioned drinking water as a really good tip for, I believe it was my how to look good without makeup video. And so I kind of wanted to add this into this video, thanks to you guys. But yeah, drinking water every day as a woman or as a man, it just makes you feel better, a lot healthier. You can notice it in your skin. I see a lot of people walking around LA carrying like those really big jugs full of water. I don't do that, but I do drink a lot of water every day. By carrying that jug of water, they're telling themselves, I have to drink this whole jug of water every single day, and that's my quota, and I have to meet it, and I am holding myself accountable. All right, my last thing, number 10 of things that women should do every day is to eat healthy, but don't deprive yourself. Food makes me so happy. I cannot not eat food that I love. And people always ask me, what is your diet plan? And I don't have a diet plan. I eat what I like, but everything in moderation. Now, that is such a cliche thing to say, everything in moderation, but it's so true. Listen to your body. That's my biggest thing that I do, is I listen to my body and I go to the gym. That way, when I'm eating foods that are not as good for me, I can feel it in my body and I know when to stop. And also, if I am eating foods that are probably not that great for me, I go to the gym so that I can feel better and burn it off. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, let me know what you would add to this list in the description box below. If you're new here and you like this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the red subscribe button down below as well as the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I put out a new video like this one. Also, if you want, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Naomi Boyer on Instagram because I give you daily outfit inspirations. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in my next video.